Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will discuss some questions on data science in text mining and how to convert unstructured data into structured data. So let's get started. Our first question is, how can unstructured data such as text from written complaints be analyzed in the context of data science? So unstructured data refers to information that does not have a predefined format, such as videos, text, images. So we can analyze text-based unstructured data from the following steps. First is data collection. So first we will collect the data from the source. Like in this example, we have a complaint that is theft of my mobile phone by an unknown person at MG Road. So this is our data. So in next process, we will clean the data and pre-process it. So first we will remove the stop words like a, the, and is, and normalize the data into lowercase and break the data into small tokens. So the third step is feature extraction. So we will convert text into numerical representation by using back of words TF, IDF. So for example, common words like the get less weight while theft gets more. So our next step is text analyzing and modeling. So in which we will use machine learning models to classify text into predefined categories. In this we have theft of phone, which comes under IPC section 378. Visualization. Tools like words, clouds, or bar charts can be used to visualize patterns in the complaints. Yeah. So our next question is, how can text mining techniques be applied to automate the classification of written complaints? So text mining automates the process of understanding and categorizing large volumes of text data. So here's how can we categorize these data. So first is pre-processing text. First, we will clean the data to remove noise. For example, in this complaint, we have to extract the keywords like theft, mobile, and location, which is MG Road, and keyword matching. So in this, we match the keywords with predefined complaint categories or IPC section. As theft maps the IPC section 378. Machine learning models. So train algorithms on past complaints to identify patterns. So in previous theft complaints mentioned stolen or robbed, the algorithm learns to predict these words. Next is natural language processing. Techniques like named entity recognition identify entities in text. An example is a location and mobile as an object. Automated workflow. Feed new complaints into the trained model as in we generate IPC and BNS section recommendation automatically. Third question is methods or technologies for automated complaint classification. So to classify complaints, these are the four steps. First is natural language processing. So it helps in understanding text by breaking it into tokens, removing noises, and extracting the useful data patterns from the unstructured data. Next, the second step is text classification models. So algorithms like support vector machines, naive-Bayes, or deep learning models are used. So these models classify complaints into predefined categories. Machine learning. Supervised learning trains models as labeled complaints. For example, train the model with theft complaints linked to Section 378. Deep learning. Use neural networks like CNS or RNNs for large data sets. These models are more accurate but require computational power. So now approaches to classify complaints using IPC and BNS section. So first we will process the data by convert into small tokens and remove the stop words, and then we will match the keywords like theft keyword will come under IPC section 378 and train a model. So train a classification model using naive-based classification to map the IPC and BNS section. Predictions feed the new complaint into the model output IPC section 378. So next is steps to analyze recommended IPC BNS section. So to analyze the complaints and recommended applicable section, first we will process the complaint, then create a keyword database, then apply a classification model and generate a recommendation. So to pre-process the data, we will clean and convert the data into small text of tokens and then link the keywords with IPC sections. And then in last, we will display the sections 378 for theft. So what are the data structures and algorithms for classification data structures? So the data structure we will use is dictionary, store keywords and their corresponding IPC sections like for theft 378 and fraud 420. And prefix tree efficiently search keywords in text. So algorithms like naive-based classification, decision trees support vector machines. So probabilistic model for text classification split complaints into categories based on rules, classifies text into IPC sections using vectors. So ensuring accuracy of classification. To ensure accurate classification, first we will combine keywords matching and machine learning and cross-validation. So use a rule-based approach for initial matching and let the machine learning model for refine the classification. Test the model on different company datasets to ensure reliability. So metrics for assessing performance. So, so for performance metrics, we will use four steps to model works. First is precision. It measures how many of the predict sections are correct. And recall measures how many actual sections were correctly predicted. F1 score predicts harmonic mean of precision and recall. And confusion matrix, a table shows true positive or false positive, false negative, and true negatives. Our last is how evaluating the model successfully. So to evaluate the success of the model, first use the metrics above to measure precision, recall, and F1 score, and then analyze the confusion matrix for errors. And in last, ensure the model recommends correct section for the new complaint. So this is all for today's video. Thanks for watching.